Hello guys, hi, my name is Monica, a mom of two and also a working mom. Welcome to this video. Guys, if you are new, feel most welcome, and if you are returning subscriber, may God bless you for coming back to watch my videos and to support me. So guys, let's make dinner together where we're having some lentils, some rice, and that will be all. Those were my ingredients, where we had capsicum, carrots, and some tomatoes and onion. Here are my lentils. They were boiling. They were almost cooked. So guys, I have to take them off, sieve the water, and then cook them using my ingredients. So guys, stay tuned until the end.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with
Guys, if you are a mom, you will understand whenever you are working, your baby may start disturbing, so you have to work with him or her. At this point, my baby was disturbing, and so I had to carry him at my back and do my work. So guys, I stored the remaining lentils in the fridge.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
At this point, my food was ready. We had our dinner. That's how it turned out. I added some sauce to my rice. Yeah, I like it when it is that way. So that was my food and my son's food. So after we had dinner, I unboxed a stand which I bought. I bought a bigger stand because the one I had was a small one. So guys, I decided to buy another one, and this is how it was looking. I went and got it from Nairobi town at 1,000 shillings, Kenyan shillings. It was not costly. So guys, that's how my stand was looking. This one will be a bit better than the one I had. The one I had was too small. I will show you how it was, but it was still working. What I'm planning next to buy is a ring light and a bigger stand. So soon enough, when I get some money, I will buy that one, so that my video will always be clear and always be fine. Guys, that's my baby. Don't mind the sound behind it. It is my baby. I was editing this video with her. She was there. That's why you are hearing those sounds. So guys, bear with me and don't mind it. So guys, that's how my stand was looking. It was a bit taller than the one I had. The other one I had was small one, was a bit small, and I bought it around 300 shillings. I bought it from Jumia. It was small, but I thank God it was still doing what it was supposed to do. So at this point I had to return it the way it was, so that it can fit in the box and be stored well, because I fear storing it that way, because I have a son who is very curious, and I will find him working on it and it might break or something will happen to it. So I have to store it to avoid such things. So that's how it was, and I thank God I bought it. I will still save for the other one, for the bigger one, and a ring light. So this year I will pray God to give me money so that I can buy the other one. Guys, thank you for always being there. Thank you for supporting me. And if you have not yet subscribed, click the button and subscribe to support my channel. Like, comment, and share. So guys, may God always bless you for watching these videos and for supporting me. I was through storing it, and I stored it that way. I will show you now the one I had. This is what I had. It was a small one, and it was stressful because whenever I wanted to use it, I have to find somewhere where it will stand, somewhere where I will put it to stand so that it can record correctly, and it could record how I wanted it to be. So guys, thank you and bye.